Welcome back, builders, DIY enthusiasts. We've got a nice structural job to do this morning, removing an RSJ and installing it, flushing the ceiling. Listen, we are on a tight schedule on this one. We've only got today to get it in, so stay tuned for this one. Everything's been organised as far as I can plan ahead, so the skip should be coming at 8 o'clock. The Genie has arrived for Mark 1, bang on schedule, so we are looking good so far. Now the real challenge isn't installing the beam, it's going to be safely propping the building, ensuring we keep the structural integrity. I don't know how some people get away with things, but there's not been any issues for God knows how many years. But check this out. So this is the old back of the house, which is a double skin cavity wall, which we need to safely support in order to get our new steel beam in. And this is I don't even know what you want to call that, but it's been laid on its belly. Right, I'll just take a couple of minutes just to talk you through. So the floor joists run this way. Because we've took this centre wall out, there's no joins in it. The client's going to put a stud wall here, which should be enough to take the load. That span from there to there should be okay, but we've just put this in place temporary, just in case, because we've got a bathroom upstairs. So you've got a scaffold with some acros. That's taking the load of the floor. The only other load that we need to worry about is the back of the outside of the house, the old outside of the house. So we have two options. We either needle through, so I've got the prop pals, the blue ones that we normally use, but then I've got to come out the outside wall and onto the flat roof and support it below, which was what we was gearing up to do this morning. But we're going to do it on strong boys. I don't generally like using strong boys, but in this case, it's going to be the best way forward. So strong boys are in taking the load. This beam will come out, so we'll break away the pockets either end, which we need anyway to get our steel beam, slide it across and up into that void. So we're going to break the pockets out, get the Genie in, we'll lower that down, and then we'll put the new beam up. I'll get some sand cement on the top, squeeze it up nice and tight, and that should be lovely jubbly. So ready? 1, 2, 3, yeah. You right to turn?
Yeah.
Good.
Coming up the step at the end.
Can you get your background yet? Can you swing your back round?
Not yet, I'll have to drop it here.
Drop it there then.
Put it down.
I'll chop it, mate.
Get under.